Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Welcome to another live trading session. We are Tuesday, December 13. Yes, I know I always says that, but money flies by. Money flies by. Yeah, money flies by. But time flies by. Holy fuck, I'm not awake, man. What's up with that? Yeah, give me one second. I just need to adjust something, guys, and we're gonna get going. All right, so that should be good. All right, perfect. All right, so before we get started, can anyone confirm on YouTube sound is loud and clear? And guys, as you come in on YouTube, make sure to smash that like button as you come in. Let's see here. Let's boom. All right, cool. All right, so let's see here. Comments. Michelle. What is up? What is up? What is up? Thank you. Sound is good. Perfect. Excellent. Let's move on. Zoom chat. I cannot again. I still have this bug where I cannot move my Zoom chat to my other screen, which is so dumb. So, anyways, hey Sasha, sound is good. Thank you, Paul. Like done. Thank you also. Yeah, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. All right, so let's get it. Let's start. Let's start. All right, so, oh man, whew. Yeah, I need to. I erased all my chart, but not all my chart. But a couple of my chart, I erased them all yesterday night because we had a session with the new group, an introduction to Forex, and yeah, so I had to redo all my chart. But yeah, that's all good. Let's do that now. Let's do that right now. All right. That's so weird. I don't see the likes going up. Like Paul said he liked it. I don't see it. It's weird. All right, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I think the like button is broken. What the fuck's going on? Whatever. Okay, so let's start with GJ. All right, so let's start with GJ. All right, cool. So if you look at GJ, what happened here on the monthly? I mean, we got this resistance that got broken. Bam, came down to retest previous structure to continue up, right? So now let's move on to the weekly because we know that the monthly is bullish. Weekly is bullish also. Again, the same idea. We went up here, broke resistance, came down, retest. We broke under, came back up, retest the area once again to continue up. All right, so we're still bullish here. Daily is still, daily is still what? Daily is bearish at the moment. Bearish is daily is a bearish at the moment. But look like because this is the high, this is just structure. So yeah, so we need to break this area here. Actually, we do right at it. All right, so we're about to flip bullish here. All right, so basically what I would be looking for is something to break and close above this area, retest to continue up. We got clean traffic to the left side. Yeah, interesting. Interesting, my friend. Interesting. Don't forget to smash the like button as you come in, guys. I mean, I took a huge break from streaming. Since then, the algorithm doesn't like me anymore, so I need to break the algorithm once again. All right, so let's see here on the 4 hour time frame. Let's start to do our zone. Yeah, this is a pretty valid zone right there. Very, very valid zone, my friend. All right, bam. All right, so from here, we need to know, are we gonna break and close above here? Because look at the last couple candles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4 hour candle. Rejected all around the same area here and close under. So are we gonna have our pullback here? Very possible. Because now we've been pushing up. Now I think we're due for a pullback. So I can expect something like this come retest here to continue up. Also, we might need our friend Fib, from the beginning of the push to the end of the push, which is right here. Perfect. Oh, we're respecting the safety net here. All right, so there's three major level I do check on the fib, which is number one, which is the 382, which is a nice rejection level. My favorite one is the golden zone between the 50 and the 618. And last resort is going to be the safety net, the 768. All right, so that's good. We are respecting the safety net if we go down here. All right, so all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Let's establish our golden zone right there. Go. Perfect. Actually, this is the H4. H4GZ. All right, perfect. Now we can remove this so we don't have tons of shit on our page, on our chart. Amex, what do you think about Rajabank? Fake is trade on his own broker. I don't. I'm not the kind of guy who talk against anyone. Even if there are some people talking against me, I don't give a shit. Um, I think I learned a lot of shit from Raja, and I don't know. I don't know about his own broker and faking the trade. That I have no clue. Um, I doubt it. But hey, I don't know. Like I said, I don't like to talk about those things. Um, um, here. All right, cool. All right, so now if you look at the 1 hour, if you look here, we're just ranging, right? So I mean, basically, when price move like this, let's put red box here. So when proof might move like this and bounce back and forth inside the same area, I mean, you don't want to be trading in this. All right. So this is a big no no. All right. So this is a big no no. You don't want to be trading in this. You want to be trading inside of, outside of that box, right? Not inside of that box. You want to trade under here, under this area or above this area. Under this area because you got clean traffic to this yellow box, and after that above this area because I mean look left, you're gonna have clean traffic to this area. All right, cool. Oops, sorry. So you definitely don't want to be trading in this box. All right, so now just gonna be waiting for GG to do something, guys. As you come in on YouTube, make sure to smash that like button. We need to bring back the algorithm. Woo, shit, drop some water. Damn. Let's see here. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, David. And you trade the news CPI? No, no, no. I'm gonna wait for the storm to pass, and I'm gonna make money after or before. But I'm not trading in the news. Right? News around like two. Hold on, wait a second. Let's see. Oops, no, wrong website. News is gonna be at 2, I think. Is it? No, shit. It's at 8:30. Oh no, I'm confused with Yeah, sorry guys. Yeah. All right. So 8:30. Yep. So I'm gonna be trading before or after, but not at the news. Gold, not gonna be touching it for sure. Because gold, it's like gold is wild. Like I'm not touching it even before. I'm just gonna wait after. All right, after the news. Because there's a lot of trap with gold before news or um like I like I like to compare news like a store. All right, so if you're looking to, and I'm always using the same example for people who've been following me, probably you guys are sick and tired to hear this thing, but there's still always new people. But when I'm at the dock and looking at my boat and I want to go take a ride, if I see a storm coming, I'm not gonna jump in my boat and be like, let's go in the middle of the ocean and let's have fun. Yes, that's gonna be so exciting, right? Hell fucking no. Okay. So I'm gonna stay on the ground, wait for the storm to pass, and after that, I'm gonna go enjoy a nice little ride, nice little boat ride. Okay. So with news, same fucking shit. Why should I risk my capital when price can just milk or push up like there's no tomorrow, smash my stop loss, getting fucking slipped. Yeah, no, 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 no. It's it's um it's pure gamble basically. It depends. There's some people that are actually really good at trading news, and congrats, and they're good. This is not my thing. All right, this is not my thing. I do not trade news. All right, so that's why I stay away. But there's people that specialize into that and trade it, and they're good and perfect. I respect that. You can do it. Since I'm not good, I'm gonna wait for the storm to pass. All right. Um, but now, if I do, let's remove this. All right. So let's say that we forget about the news for 1 second. All right. Let's say here the daily here on gold right now is still trending bullish, right? We did fail on creating a new high at this point. So if we do break this structure here, we're gonna have a market structure switch to the downside. But so far we're still up, right? Um, so let's take a look at the 4 hour here. So this was the new high. Here we got the low. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Here we're trending down. Okay, 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 okay. So let's say that they were no news. Okay. I would be looking mostly at this area, under this area for shorts. Um, let's see. Do you have anything else here? Not much. Yeah. Actually, right above here, we got some nice clean traffic also. So if we can get a nice break retest above here, we got clean traffic up to this zone. So that'll be perfect. So a nice little quick scalp here. Because gold, I do not swing, I just scalp. And to the downside, same thing. I would be looking at something under here. I mean, we got a clean traffic up to this zone. So yeah, one of those two options we'll be looking at for sure, for a nice little quick scalp. So that is if there was no news, but still, if we can have like, since there's going to be a lot of volatility. Oh Jesus, for the Frenchie, that was hard to say this morning. So basically, I'm going to wait for a candle to break above here, and the next candle I'm going to wait for the dogtail setup. So basically, I'm going to wait for the tail to form to the bottom to retest the zone, and then once the candle is going to break the high, I'm going to take it up because we might have not a classic break retest here since there's going to be so much volume. So that's going to be one of those options. A lot of big YouTube traders gamble with sell stuff and buy stuff. Yeah, it's, there's some people that just chasing clouds. They're just chasing like attention. They are seeking attention. They just like want to make a good show, and you know what? It's just like good for them. I don't give a shit if we have like 5 people here, 10 people here, 20. I don't care. I don't really care. In all honesty, I know for a fact that the people that are here are quality people, and they know that I don't bullshit. It's just like I'm straight up. I don't give a shit. People can ask me questions, and I'm gonna answer. I'm not gonna treat them like they are retards. It depends. If you abuse, if you abuse and you're dumb, yeah, I might be not nice with you. But except that, I mean, every question are welcome. I'm here to help and give back. So the rest, I don't give a shit about if we have a winning trade, a losing trade. I used to be like, at first, I used to be like, oh my god, man, I see all those streamers. I need to be good and blah blah blah. I don't give a shit now. These days, I just want to help. That's my only goal. I just want to be able to help and give back. That's my mainly only goal. So I don't give a shit if we have a winning trade, a losing trade. If that stream helped one person, I did my job, and that is my reward. I don't give a shit. You know Um, yeah. So now, all right. So here, let's see. Um, hello, Sasha. Gold flat dog shit zone. Yeah, I mean, we gotta wait. We gotta wait for gold to get out of that zone. Um, so yeah, we need to get out of that zone. Oh, there's another question here. David, how has your trading improved this year? All right. In there's two ways I improved. I mean, there's two subject on that. First one, I improved a lot in swing. All right, so I spent a lot of time studying swing trading. I Most people know I took the course with Alex on swing trading. That was something I want to be able to add into my arsenal, and that has been evolving a lot, and I'm super proud of it. Now, the thing I'm not happy with is my lot size level up. And I talked about that in a previous Forex talk of Revere. I talked about that with some of my students. I have a mind problem, okay? A mindset problem with that. And my problem is back then, I was like in my previous life, I had like huge problem with money, right? So I didn't have a lot of money at one point. It was a really, really, really tough time in my life. I was in a really dark place, um, and money was really hard to get. I was not. I was, yeah, dude. It was rough. It was a rough patch, and now that these days, like since like a couple of years now, I would say like 7, 8, 9 years, life is doing super good. I'm super grateful. Money is abundant, and health and everything is good. I still have this problem right here that I worked hard for my money, so I don't put my money at risk. Okay. I'm super, super tight with my money, which is a big problem because I should risk way more than what I'm risking. I should increase my lot size, and I don't. I'm stuck at the same lot size because I am so afraid mentally. It's a mindset problem. And this is something I want to be fixing for next year. I read a couple books to help me, psychology wise. So I'm getting a lot better at it. I'm getting okay with the fact that, what, fuck it. The money that's there, it's to be lost, right? So fuck it. If I lose it, I lose it. If I win it, I win it, and that's gonna be it. But yeah, it's something I had to be had a pretty good challenge about that situation. So as you can see, I'm super transparent, guys. I don't give a shit. That's what it is. So yeah, so that was the thing. But I'm super proud about my swing trade. This has been working super well. So now I'm able to actually add this to my arsenal. So very happy with that. All right, let's break down those charts now. Do we have another question here? Um, Yo, bro, the money is gone once they are in MT4. Forget them. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. My problem is I put I put a pretty big amount in MT4, so that's a different story. But yeah, you're totally right though. You're totally right. Maybe only increase it by 0.51 lot at a time. Yeah, yeah, I think I need to do like, um, I don't know. It's either you do progressively or you do like, bam. When someone try to stop smoking cigarette, let's say, if they most of the time when they try to quit, like cutting it, like let's say, okay, I was smoking, let's say, I don't know, 10 cigarette a day. They go down to 8, 7, 6. Usually they all come back to 10. Most of them. But the people that actually stop the next day, it's usually the one that, yes, it was rough, it was tough, but it worked. So I'm thinking maybe increasing like drastically, and maybe the first couple of weeks gonna be rough. It's gonna be an adjustment. I'm gonna be losing. Um, Maybe, I don't know, but I think that's how I'm gonna do it. But we'll see. We shall see. Man, FOMO trader be trading one lot on a one. Yeah, it's just so dumb. It's just that helped me. Okay, perfect, man. So yeah, we're gonna take a look at that. But totally, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you for those questions. I really appreciate them. This is when we have the best sessions when you guys interact, and that's perfect. I love it. We got 7 likes so far. Let's push it to 20. I'm sure we can do it. Like I said, it's slowly. It's a comeback on the live stream, so I need your help, guys, to push the algorithm. All right, so now let's take a look at GU. All right, let's take a look at GU. GU is going to be mostly paired. I'm going to be looking for swing. Funny, we got what I was expecting here. I mean, the first thing I was expecting here after this drop, I was waiting for the retest here. I was waiting for the retest either of this zone or this zone right here to continue down. But we did broke above. So now what I was waiting for is the retest of this zone to continue up. Oops, sorry, to continue up. So now let's see what we got here on a lower time frame. So now weekly just flipped bullish because we broke market structure here to the left. Okay, so now let's take a look at the daily. Daily is also bullish. We had a nice engulfing candle here in the daily golden zone. This is the 2 trades I took last week. That was very good. Very happy with it. Did literally like a little bit than 6% of that trade, so that was pretty good. All right, so now let's see. Can we break this daily resistance? I mean, we are breaking it, but can we close above? That's another question. Let's take a look at a 4-hour time frame now. 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Do we have a nice golden zone right here? Yes, we did. We did. I got the rejection inside the golden zone, but no possible entry in all honesty. So yeah, let's remove this. All right, so now that we are, let's use this zone here. Perfect. Here we go. As you can tell, this is a strong zone. You see all those rejection, all those wick rejection. So we need to close under. So now, above. So if we do close above, now I'm going to be looking for something to retest this area to continue up. I mean, all the other time frame are bullish. So we're going to look for buys, obviously. Take a look at the 1 hour here. All right, all right, all right. Look like we might have that break and retest here. We got a break. Look like now we're coming down. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on GU. Definitely going to keep an eye on GU for this session. But the USD is going to be very well impacted by that CPI news. So it might be a little tricky. I mean, all those USD pairs, you see, this is something I was looking for yesterday. But basically I was waiting for price to break this to break and retest. For people that did, I don't know if we have some people here today that was yesterday night into our introduction class, but it's something I actually talked about, the break and retest of that neckline. We actually did break and retest it, but we never had an entry possible after that because we got the break. We got a double bottom here. We got a retest of the zone. Nice engulfing candle, but at that moment, the 30-minute are bullish, right? So I need the 30-minute to flip bearish. So here we did flip bearish. So I'm waiting for the retest engulfing candle. Will never happen. We got a retest, but we just broke back above again. So I mean, trade wasn't valid. So now let me remove all those zones. All right, so right now, let's go back to the weekly. All right, so this is something, again, I've been waiting for a while, waiting for the break, retest of this area to continue down on the weekly time frame. We are right at it. There was 2 area I wanted to short either in the golden zone or at this zone right here. The orange line that you guys see is the safety net on the fib level. So until we respect this area, I mean, I'm still looking for shorts. But again, if we do have a break retest to the upside here, we're gonna break structure. So it's not very good. Daily is bullish at the moment, so I need the daily to flip bearish. All right, so I need the daily to flip bearish. For that, I need this to go down here, break this area, retest, and continue down. All right, so that's something I need to wait for, and it can take a couple of days because that's the daily time frame. The 4 hour time frame right now is bearish at the moment. We did add this head and shoulders. We break under, and but we just didn't respect the neckline. So there's no entry right now on AUD USD. So hopefully that helps some people. Um, All right, let's move on to the next pair. You guys have any pair you want to check? Let me know. Let's take a look at the weekly here. All right. So here is NZD USD. We are respecting market structure so far, but we broke the safety net. We broke this support back above. So I don't know, but we got this weekly doji. Look like we might be able to have our pullback now to the downside. Looks like now we got double top formation on the daily time frame. So is that going to be our reversal pattern? We don't know yet. But yeah, if we do this, bam, retest the neckline. I'm going to wait for resistance to be formed to continue down. So that's something I'm going to be waiting for sure. And establish the zone right here. Bam, bam. Let's do this. Perfect. So that'll be great because we got clean traffic on the daily time frame here to the left. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah. Yep. That's pretty clean. I'm actually going to place an alert here. If we break it, that'll be great. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be the safest way. I mean, you can take an entry before that, but look at all the noise here. I'm not interested. Not interested, my friend. All right, so let's take a look at Euro GPP. Weekly time frame. Let's see here. All right, so here the weekly is bullish, right? Boom, boom, boom. Actually, we just flipped bearish. Yeah, it did flip bearish. All right, cool. So yeah, that's why I was looking for a break and retest under the zone. But if we see a nice pushback, we also still in that weekly golden zone. So now let's go take a look. Sorry, let's go take a look at the daily. Daily look like we might have a possible double bottom here. And then if it's the case, I'm gonna wait for the retest here to continue up. That would be perfect because it will be inside of our golden zone. But again, if we do break this zone to the downside, I'm gonna wait for the retest. Let's place an alert on both and see what's going on after that. But I'm not interested in here. Yeah, down here it's gonna be perfect. Look at this clean traffic here to the left. Yeah, very beautiful. Except for that little zone there, but that's about it. Still have a lot of room. Okay. Euro GPY. Let's take a look at the weekly. We had a nice pullback last week. We did close under, not under, sorry, but inside the golden zone. Let's take a look at daily. Daily is still bearish at the moment. Actually, no, sorry. We did broken retest above this area. Okay. Let's take a look. Oh, okay. This is exactly what I was waiting for. All right. So I was actually waiting for this here last week, waiting for this to come retest. That's why I placed my alert here to continue up. Okay. So yeah, that would be perfect. That also can be inside our golden zone on the 4 hour time frame, if I'm not wrong. Let's be inside the 382. Yeah, okay. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna keep an eye on this. Definitely gonna keep an eye. Let's put it a little higher so we have time to react. So yeah, okay, that's interesting. Entity CAD. Let's take a look at the weekly. We did close above here. So here I'm basically waiting for that retest here. We retest here or here. There's two areas here where I want to buy. It's either here or here. We'll see how it turns out, but I mean we got a couple of days to go now. I mean, because this is the daily time frame, right? So we got, look at how many candles. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days, for the push up. So I can expect. I mean, it all depends on the volume, but I can expect like a 5-ish days at least, to come down and retest this area. AUDGPY. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right, so weekly we are bearish. All right, so we have a lower low, and now we got price pulling back up. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So far, we're respecting the safety net. Okay, good. Um, let's take a look at the daily. So this never happened. We had the break. I was waiting for the retest, but we broke above. So here is invalid. Let's take a look on the fib on the daily. Yeah, okay, same thing. All right. So we're respecting the safety net so far. Yeah, this thing is not close to be ready. Like it's not ready. So we gotta wait. GPBCHF. You see, when it's not nice, I just don't fuck around. I just move on to the next pair. There's a lot of pairs that we can look for swings. So I'm like not interested in fucking around here. I don't like this. I don't like this. Yeah, look at the daily. Daily is ranging. So let's get the GA, 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 GA. GA is not nice either. We're stuck at that weekly resistance. Daily is fucking around. Like GA this year was terrible. Like I usually GA I trade a lot on GA. I don't even think I did take one trade on. I probably took one trade on GA, but seriously, like wow, GA was terrible this year. I love GN usually, but look at this fucking range. Just like I don't touch a GN now. Same thing, AUDCHF. Look at this daily. This is bullshit. USDGPY now. All right, USDGPY. Let's see. Focus on this line here. All right, cool. So we're still trending up here on USDGPY, but let's take a look at the daily. Daily is down, so we need price to break this area to flip bullish, or we need a weekly to break under here to flip bearish. So now, if we do that, if one of those two time frame does that, we're gonna have at least those two time frame in sync. A 4-hour time frame is just rangy, so yeah, let's fuck it. And is and then NZD GPY. Oh my god, oh my god, no, I'm not interested. Euro USD. What's going on here? Look like we're flip bullish. Let's use this zone right here. Actually, sorry, right here. All right, so we just flip bullish. Now, can we have a retest of here? Let's see. But yeah, it's not close to be ready. We actually did the retest here on the daily time frame. 4 hours rangy. Yeah, not interested. USD CAD. I hate this pair. CAD GPY. Terrible. Just melting. So now we need a retest, right? So basically, I need price to come and retest this area. I'm gonna place an alert here. All right. So any other pair you guys want to take a look at? I'm more than open to take a look at it. Now, what time is it? 8:14. So let's go back to GJ. Let's take a look at GJ and gold. Man, we broke down all those pair, man, for free for you guys, man. So hopefully that can help. So GJ is still ranging. In December, you gotta be careful sometimes. You know, December volume can be like a little bit fucked up. Let's see here. What do you think? Oh, about what, Mohammed? What do I think about what? Bam, 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 bam. Um. Oh, posted a link, USD CAD. Oh, I don't see it. Oh, the reason why it's because you probably post the full link. So to share a chart, you need to click on the camera icon and you're going to click on copy link to the chart image. When you're going to paste it, you see this, you only send this part, the backslash X to the other backslash. All right. If you send a full link, unfortunately YouTube blocks it by default. So you need to only paste the backslash X to the other backslash. But you need to click on copy link to the chart image, because if you only copy this here, it's not going to work. I'm telling you. So you need to click on copy link to the chart image. You paste it and you erase the first part. You just keep the backslash X to the other backslash. Bam, 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 bam. All right, cool, got it. So let's do, what the fuck? All right, so now we're gonna do this. Copy. There we go. Perfect. All right, so we got USD CAD here from Mohammed. Let's take a look at this. Oh, wow, it's so blurry. So small, dude. How can you? Wow, man, I don't know how you do it. It's just like so small. Those lines. You don't have any details. You don't have any details of the wick or the candles. Where does it close? I would highly recommend like having like real candles, but let's see here. Buys above this area. Yes, it all depends. This is the 30-minute. Um, man, it's really really hard. All right, so let's go take a look on the real chart here. So you were in a 30-minute. Okay. So first thing first. Let's establish this zone on a 4 hour though. So this zone right here. We got this zone right here. Yeah, because otherwise you don't need like all the candles behind, you know, like you need to see, you need to be able to see this at least, you know, and see the wicks. You know, the wicks are very important to understand. Like, did we broke above? Did we not broke under? Because now if you look first thing first. All right, so we need to establish that USD CAD is bullish. All right, so we're totally bullish here. All right, so perfect. Now the daily flipped bullish. All right, cool. So now we got the retest here. So we broke above here. We did the retest, and now we kind of fell on pushing higher. We kind of stuck at this daily resistance right here. All right. So now if you look on the 4 hour, 4 hour is just ranging like we did, well, like we established. This is the area we need to break. So I guess this probably close of the same area you are looking at. The 2 hours, just same shit. 30 minutes, same shit. So yeah, so totally. I mean, you got it. Like under here, you got some clean traffic. Um, like right now, the 30 minute are bearish, the 1 hour are bearish. So if you're scalping, you want at least like you want at least like 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour bearish and taking entry on 30 minute or 15 minute, whatever. But yeah, at this moment, and don't forget, there's a news about to be released in 10 minutes. It's going to be CPI. So we'll see. Price might melt under here or push back up. We don't know. But yeah, above this area or under this area should be fine. Again, just got to wait. Just got to wait and be patient. So yeah, that makes sense. Um, but yeah, I really, really recommend seeing those candles because they can give you a lot of insight, a lot of insight, because if you see this candle didn't broke previous high, this candle didn't broke previous low, so we don't have any indication here, but this candle did broke previous low. So you can expect at that moment for continuation to the downside, at least for that day, right? It all depends because today we got news, so it can be tricky, but most of the time, it will respect that. But if you see chart like this, like even if you zoom in, I don't think you can see those wicks, right? It's just like a pin bar, just like, um, yeah, very tough, very, very tough. But hey, it's if you're used to it, great. Um, all right, all right, all right. Any other pairs or chart you guys want to take a look at? Bam, bam, bam. Sorry, guys, got distracted for 1 second. Okay. Um, let's take a look at. Let's go back to GJ. We got 7 minutes before the news. Gonna take a look at gold. Let's open up MT4. That'll be great. There we go. All right. So we got 7 minutes before that news. So I'll just gonna take the dog out for a couple. Should I wait? There's 6 minutes. I think we should be good with 6 minutes. Yeah, all right. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna take the dog out and I'll be right back. All right. All right. We've got 2 minutes. 3 minutes. We're good. We're good. We are good. Giju's doing nothing. Let's see. But not planning on taking a trades right now. Just gotta wait. All right, all right, all right. Come on. Come on, go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, what's cooking inside the NFT world today? So who's going? Oh, okay. Good, good. Awesome. All right, we got a minute and 10 seconds. Let's go. Euro GBP had an alert this night. What the hell? What was the alert for? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, that was the head and shoulder. Okay, I get it now. All right, look at this. We got 15 seconds. Let's go to gold. Holy, gold actually spiked up. Look at this. Holy, crazy shit. Look, it spiked before the news. It spiked right. Oh, you see, that's how you only. That's crazy, dude. Crazy shit. Like above 18. Plus, this is a major level here, like the 18 round number. So, holy, wow, 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 wow. That's crazy. This can open up and just like bam, straight up. That's crazy. So this is the 5 minute time frame right now we're looking at. Look at this retracement. Holy fuck. Dude, hopefully you guys secure some profits if you took buys, because this shit can retrace all the way down in just a couple of seconds. Oh, this is crazy. Oh boy. Yeah, just trading gold right now is just so wild. It's a gamble. It's basically a gamble because I mean, yes, here, it it kind of makes sense, because you got look at this. We're on a 15-minute time frame. All right, so we got the break of this area. We got the retest, and we got a nice engulfing candle. So yes, it does make sense. If it was in a normal environment, no news, I would take that trade. But the thing is, with those kind of news, you have no fucking clue. So you have no fucking clue how it's gonna react, except for the people who actually trade news all their life and they read all those fucking things about news, and they understand how the market will react and blah blah blah, and that's all good, But for all the others, there's no fucking way you can know, you know. So yeah, it is what it is. Um, so basically, right now, I mean, at this time it's 8:30. So there's two options with gold for me. I'm not saying for everyone, but for me, it's either I'm gonna wait for the 5 minute to have a little pullback to continue up, or I might take a 5 minute dogtail setup. It depends on where it close. Or I'm just gonna wait for the full hour to close, and use the dogtail setup on the next 4 hour. So that's what I'm gonna do. Crazy shit. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. And plus you had no time of execution. You see this candle open up and it was already up here. So even if you place a buy stop, or a sell stop, whatever, but if you had placed a buy stop, your entry got slipped probably like a lot of pips. So it is what it is. So this is what I'm going to be looking at, basically. Any questions? No questions? Damn, you guys are good. All right, guys. Perfect. Hey, I'm gonna be live again on Friday for Forex Talk of a Beer. Um, maybe not. I have an event on Friday actually. We'll see. Maybe we're gonna do Thursday night instead. Spread so I got slipped 20 pips at least. Oh yeah, Tony, for sure, man. Yeah, for sure. I mean, spread where like 20 pips at one point. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I saw it. It was 20 pips plus the entry got slipped for sure. So I mean your entries maybe slipped like from 30 pips. I don't know, 40 pips. That happened to me once when I tried to be a hero and trade the news. I got slipped like 50-ish pips total. It was brutal. Brutal. So yeah, not worth it. So you guys, so thank you very much for being here this morning. Very appreciate it. It's a comeback, like I said. Need to build back the audience, so help me by smashing that like button. Very appreciate. I'm gonna try to be live probably Thursday night instead of Friday night, because I have a poker night on Friday, so I might not be able to do Forex Talk over beer. But hey, thank you so much. Activate notifications so you'll know next time I go live. All right. Have an amazing day, guys. Take care.